Assalamu alaikum students, welcome back to ConceptHub. I'm your instructor, and today we are diving into a foundational topic for Class 7 Computer Science, the main components of a computer system. Whether you are preparing for your exams or just want to master how your PC actually works, this lecture is for you. Make sure to stay with us until the very end. 1. The computer system. Think of a computer system as a smart electronic machine. It follows a simple cycle. It takes input from you, processes it using its brain, and then produces a meaningful output. It's all about making our work faster, more accurate, and saving our precious time. Examples: typing your school homework, solving complex math problems instantly, or attending this online class right now. 2. Motherboard. Next up is the motherboard. Think of it as the hub, or the main circuit board. Everything in your computer, from the CPU to the RAM, is plugged into this board. It acts like a bridge, allowing all the different parts to talk to each other. Examples: the CPU socket, RAM slots, and the ports where you plug in your mouse and keyboard. 3. Central Processing Unit, the brain. The CPU is famously known as the brain of the computer. Just like your brain tells your hands to move, the CPU controls every single operation. It processes instructions, makes decisions, and runs your software. Examples: opening a heavy software, running a Windows program, or calculating a sum. 4. Control Unit, the manager. Inside the CPU, we have the control unit, CU. Think of it as a traffic policeman or a manager. It doesn't do the heavy lifting itself, but it directs the flow of data, telling the other parts of the computer what to do and when. Examples: directing data to the ALU or managing how your printer talks to your computer. 5. Arithmetic Logic Unit, the mathematician. The ALU is the part of the CPU that does the actual thinking. It handles two things: arithmetic, math like plus or, and logic, comparing things like, is A bigger than B. Examples: adding numbers, comparing values, and making true or false decisions. 6. Memory Unit, the storage. The memory unit is where the computer keeps everything it needs to work on. It stores data, instructions, and the final results so the CPU can access them whenever needed. Examples: temporarily holding a file you are editing or storing the instructions of an app. 7. RAM, Random Access Memory, the workspace. RAM is your computer's temporary memory. It only holds data while the computer is switched on. Think of it like a desk. You put your books on it while studying, but once you're done and leave, or the power goes out, the desk is cleared. Examples: any app you currently have open or a game you are playing. 8. ROM, Read-Only Memory, the permanent guide. Unlike RAM, ROM is permanent memory. It contains the essential instructions needed to wake the computer up when you push the power button. This data stays there forever, even if the power is cut. Examples: BIOS settings and the initial, booting, instructions. 9. Measurement Units, how we scale memory. Just like we measure weight in kilograms, we measure computer memory in units. It starts from tiny bits and goes up to huge terabytes. The bigger the unit, the more data it can hold. Examples: a simple text file might be in KB, a high-quality photo in MB, and a full movie in GB. The wrap-up. That wraps up our detailed look at the main components of a computer system. I hope this made these concepts clear for you. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, share it with your classmate, and subscribe to ConceptHub for more easy to understand lectures. See you in the next class.